in another carrot field. So if you watched the previous carrot video when it was super muddy, we are now in mid-November, and we've had a night at 10 degrees and a night at 12 degrees. When I dug some yesterday, the frost had already penetrated the ground 3 inches. So we have 2/3 of an acre of really nice carrots here. And the ground is not as hard as yesterday, but we pushed all the air out with the September rain. So it comes up like concrete blocks.
There's our handsome dogo. Like a...
So we have nice carrots in there, but you can see, look at this. We've got ice crystals all the way down to there. Can you see that on the video? Maybe.
I don't know, but they're definitely there.
So we have ice crystals all the way down to there. And if you cut into these...
So I guess the question is we've been asked if we're going to be able to harvest the remaining carrots in the field.
So if you turn around and look, it's 2/3 of an acre. It's a lot of carrots. I'm going to say that no, we probably will not get to harvest these. The ground is still wet and they're frozen now. So if you do a cross section all the way through, easier done said than done. So if you see this, see how there's moisture kind of down here, and up here it looks spongy. It's because it is spongy. See how it's like cracking? Can you see that?
Yep.
So that it froze solid all the way down to here. So the texture's off for storage. They're still tasty, but it's so wet. Come and look at the ground.
So what does this mean? I mean, if we're not going to get them out of the ground, what does that mean to us as farmers?
It means that we're going to miss out on about 20,000 pounds of carrot sales, which is a fair bit of income for us. This is probably the worst financial year we have ever had farming.
Yeah.
Because right behind the carrots, right here, is about a half acre, I guess, of Brussels sprouts that we're pretty much ready for the Thanksgiving market, and it froze so hard that they're spongy in the center too. 10 degrees and 12 degrees and staying below freezing for 4 days. Not so good. Unusual for Iowa too, at this time of year.
So normally our farm aims to ship roots to places like New Pioneer Food Co-op, Whole Foods Market, and farm table distribution through the month of January and February. But this year, due to severe crop losses from weather, next week, the last week in November, is probably going to be our final distribution to our grocery stores, which is 3 months premature. So financially, that's troubling. But as Andy said, optimistically, the nice thing is we have plenty of soil moisture going into 2019.
We did not have that going into 2018.
We didn't. So, but anyway.
This really this bums me out because we planted these, we flame weeded them, we hand weeded them, we irrigated them prior to the flooding in September, and then they kind of stalled out with no sunshine and tons of moisture. But as you can see, they're pretty nice carrots. I mean, they're not blunt tipped yet like they should be. But there's a lot of carrots here.
I keep calling this one of the, maybe Sarah Carlson will appreciate this, a really beautiful cover crop.
This is, I can't even bring myself to call this a cover crop because it's just too, yeah, this is way too nice to be a cover crop. The soil following this will actually be quite nice.
Yes.
But.
So, this one's for you, Sarah.
Yeah. Please
Sarah,
don't refer to it as a cover crop in front of me, though, because I might grit my teeth.
Yeah. So if you don't know Sarah, Sarah Carlson is a cover crop guru, and she works for Practical Farmers of Iowa. So, all right. Well, thank you, husband.
Yeah.
All right. Have a great day, everybody.